This shit ain't gonna happen. You're gonna be dead when I get done. Come here. Here it is. Scarlett. I gotta try to kill this thing. I can't deal with this. I'm gonna tell my husband he ain't allowed to go back out of town. Lifesaver again. Don't throw that nasty stuff on me. Oh. Oh! Alright, I think it's dead, baby. Stop. Stop. That's enough. Oh! Scarlett. It's good. Oh! Scarlett, it's enough. Honey, it's dead. Come on. I think it's dead. Good girl. Stop. Good girl. Oh, you slinging that crap on me? So apparently, that thing had an egg in its mouth or something. Because that cracked right there. Good girl. Good girl. Don't you get that over here on Mama. Okay, that's enough. That's enough! Stop. Oh.